It's May 24th, 2021. I am in the town of Kawane in Shizuoka Prefecture. This is Ieyama Station on the Ōigawa train line, which is a train line where all of Japan's sort of old trains come and die, but they don't actually die. They live a new life and they operate on this train line, the Ōigawa train line. Quite fun to ride. Inside the Ieyama Station, you can see it's quite traditional, old school, where they even use the old cardboard paper tickets. And I'll be getting on the train most shortly. Thank you very much. And this is the Ōigawa line train headed from Ieyama to Shin Kanaya. Old school. And we are on our way. Definitely old school train, man. Japanese ones have been a lot shorter way back when. Seats are awfully low. Beautiful views. Old school train on the Ōigawa line. We're still headed to Shin Kanaya. And we're still moving along the Ōigawa line. And we arrive at Shin Kanaya Station. Oh, there's the SL. Shin Kanaya Station. Nice little trip. I highly recommend the Ōigawa train line. And one day I'll get to ride this SL, baby. Okay, Shin Kanaya. Thank you. Shin Kanaya Eki. Great trip. Shin Kanaya Eki, Ōigawa train line to Ieyama and back. Took all of about 2-3 hours. Had a good time.